Here's how to fix the latch on the lower glove compartment of a Prius. This is a 2008 Prius, or 2009 rather. They're the same. So here's the problem. The door won't latch anymore. So open both glove compartments and pry off the plastic cover over the dividing line between the two latches. And you pry this off just by putting a flat-bladed screwdriver in at this end and prying it off. It'll pop off and then come out this way. Alright, the reason why it's not latching is because this spring here that used to stretch and pull this rod that runs all the way across here to the button, that spring is broken, and so it's just loose on here. So you need to loop a rubber band around the bend in that rod right there, and then stretch the rubber band over and put it over the end of the rod like that, and that'll now fix it so it latches. And I'm sure the rubber band's going to wear out, so I'm just going to leave the plastic trim piece off probably. I'm also going to install 2 rubber bands right here at the outset. And maybe then it'll last twice as long. No, I don't think that's logical, but something like that. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. Trouble is one hand is holding the cell phone camera. Okay. There, I've got it. Okay, stretching that over. And now I've put 2 rubber bands on. And now it works twice as well, right? So there you have it. How to fix the latch on a 2009 Prius lower glove compartment.